dryer sheets versus dryer balls. In this video, I am going to show you guys the difference between dryer balls and then the dryer sheets. These are the ones I went with. It's organic wool from New Zealand. So I'll leave a link down below for the recommended products. And let's get started with number one. Number one is they reduce drying time. So when the balls are bouncing around in there, it creates more airflow in the dryer and there's more room between the clothes. And this could result in about 25% less drying time. So that means that your electric bill is going to go way down and your dryer is going to last longer, run more efficiently, and be safer. Next is they are eco-friendly. Unlike the chemical-filled dryer sheets, these ones, especially these 100% wool ones, are completely natural and will not do any harm to the environment. And these are reusable compared to the one-time use dryer sheets. Number three is they are chemical-free. Dryer balls don't contain any synthetic fragrances or chemicals that many dryer sheets do. This makes them a better choice if you have sensitive skin, allergies, or those who prefer a chemical-free lifestyle, or those who prefer a more natural approach to laundry for themselves and their family. Number four is they work great at softening the fabrics naturally. Dryer balls physically soften the clothes and fabrics by tumbling against the laundry, reducing wrinkles and reducing that static cling, which is really annoying. And they don't contain any chemicals. The dryer sheets use chemicals to get rid of the static and to make your clothes wrinkle-free. And number five is cost efficient. While dryer balls may be a higher price up front, they can last up to 1,000 loads or like 3 years of the normal laundry. So you buy them once and they'll last a very long time, opposed to these disposable dryer sheets. And that combined with the huge efficiency boost that you get when using these, it makes it a very easy choice to choose these dryer balls over dryer sheets. And if you guys want to learn how to clean your whole dryer vent system yourself, check out this video over here. Thank you.